We're gonna cattle up an old stock route. Come and sing, Tegan.
Wait for it. Voice from the bush, and we're back in town.
It's because we're in Mount Isa.
We are in Mount Isa, right out in the middle of the Outback. In fact, we're out back in the Outback. And that's a little bit of Lee Kernaghan.
Jeremy doesn't know any country.
Because that's all you can listen to out when you're out in the bush is Lee Kernaghan. I'll wind him out, leave that, yeah.
Yeah.
So, we have two types of music out here.
Country and Western. I knew you were going to say that. You're not.
I was going to say rock and blues, but hey. Alrighty. Welcome to, it is Monday night, and guess what? We're on the wrong side. I feel so weird. I'm not sure I can do this, but anyway, it's Monday night, and that means
let
that
the dog out.
we need to let the dog out because
dog
it's
out.
not happy. And I've totally lost my train of thought. It's Monday night. We're in Mount Isa, and it is Kim's top 5. And it's all happening here.
They've got a puppy, and the puppy's locked in the room so that he doesn't come out, but I think he's stressing.
Yeah, we've got puppies, we've got children walking around, we've got everything happening, but it's good that you're here with us. And tonight, we're doing Kim's top 5 for, you've already got your premium starter kit, or whatever starter kit you've started with. What now? Where do we go from there?
Yep.
That's the plan, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the plan.
And just quickly, what was it like driving to Mount Isa?
Long. Took 3 days to drive here. It's long for the girls.
Yeah, but we saw so much of the country. It's
Yeah.
if you get a chance to come out here, we saw the Stockman's Hall of Fame, where we went past that in Longreach. We went to the Walkabout Creek Hotel and had our photo taken with.
Where Crocodile Dundee used to have his office.
He looked a little two-dimensional in the picture, but hey, it's been an adventure. So anyway, let's get started.
And
So
the girls wanted to see camels. Tegan wants me to tell you, but we didn't get to see them. So.
we haven't seen a camel yet, but we've seen a lot of kangaroos, looking much
And
worse for
emus.
wear, and
We saw
emus,
emus.
live emus, and a pig.
Yeah.
And goats. All right, let's go. So count us down, Kim. What have you got for us? Top 5.
Okay, so
I've got my starter kit.
I'm often asked, what do I put on my next order? And when you flip through the catalogue, there's so many oils and so many products, and people can often be overwhelmed. So I thought I'd just give you my top 5. Doesn't mean you have to, stick to my top 5. And there are a lot, like we asked the team for their suggestions tonight, and there were a few in there that I tossed up. Like I would have loved to have included Joy.
Yep.
I wear Joy as a perfume, and it definitely gives me joy, makes me happy. Joy was, probably number 6 on my list, so it just missed the top 5. One of the others that was on there was V6, which is the carrier oil, and definitely I think that having a carrier oil, V6 is actually 7 carrier oils in a bottle, and being able to mix that up and have it as a carrier oil to dilute the oils when you first start is a good investment. So that'd probably be number 7.
Because if you're using the oils out of the PSK, the premium starter kit, then there's a lot of times when you actually want to dilute those things too, isn't it?
Yeah, especially oils like Panaway and Thieves.
Copaiba, maybe?
So,
Yeah. Okay, so V6 didn't make the cut, neither did Joy. One of my favourite blends, probably my second favourite blend. Yep. So what did make the cut? What have we got?
Okay, so number 5 is orange. Okay. I absolutely love orange. I said that Joy gives me joy. Well, orange makes me. What does orange make you, Tegan?
Orange.
Happy.
Oh, sorry,
Tegan
happy.
just said. Tegan's off camera. She doesn't want to be in tonight's video. She hasn't gone to bed yet, but orange makes you happy. And if you're looking for something, here she is. If you're looking for something to pep you up, make you feel happy, then Joy is the go.
Orange.
Orange is the go. Orange is really good for the diffuser. I love to put orange in. It's in a lot of diffuser recipes. You can mix it with orange and peppermint, orange and spearmint. Tomorrow here in Mount Isa we're doing some workshops, and we're making a chalk orange lip balm. So yeah, we've got the good old orange here.
Jaffa flavored lips.
Yeah. So
Always
orange
takes me
is
back
my number
to,
5.
Takes me back to dating in the cinema.
Yeah, and I apart from putting it in all of my lip balms and things like that, I like to put in body wash I love to cook with it. I like to have it even with soda water, so some nice cold soda water with a drop of orange. Remember that when you do put orange into water bottles, that it needs to be stainless steel or glass, not plastic, because oils eat away at plastic and it will start and eat away at the inside of your plastic water bottle. So you want to do it with orange, sorry, it's been a long day. You want to put it in stainless steel or glass water bottles.
This could be Kim's tired 5.
That's right.
Right, so number 5, orange. Yep. Number 4.
Number 4 is actually peace and calming. Okay. When I first started, they used to have this. They still do. It's called the Everyday Oils Kit, and it's got 9 oils in it. And peace and calming was in that Everyday Oils Kit. And so when I got started, it was the very first kit that I ever ordered, and it had peace and calming in it. I don't think I could have lived as a mum, especially as a mum with 2 little girls, without peace and calming. It's really interesting though, all children are unique. They're like little snowflakes. And for Caitlin, she's already in bed asleep, peace and calming used to hype her up. Like, it actually used to make her more awake. And I used to be like, oh my God, you said this oil is called peace and calming. Why isn't it working on her? She needs grounding. She obviously operates at this really high sort of level, and she needs to be brought back down and grounding. So for her, I use Sacred Mountain. But for Tegan, peace and calming. We put peace and calming in the diffuser last night here in Mount Isa, and everyone just loved it, and it just calmed everyone down, and got them ready for bed, and they're all excited to see their cousins and that kind of stuff. And so peace and calming. It's beautiful smelling. It's got your orange, your ylang-ylang. It's just that refreshing citrus. Not citrus because it's quite sweet as well. It's got blue tansy. It has that sort of greeny, bluey colour. Absolutely love peace and calming. So that's my number 4.
Number 4, interesting fact, could be no relation, but every day here, evidently at 8 in the morning and 8 at night, there's explosions in the mine, which is just around the corner. Peace and calming. How many explosions have we had so far?
We've had none, maybe because we put the peace and calming in the diffuser.
I'm not saying there's a cause and effect here, but just saying. Okay, number 3.
Number 3 is Ninja. That's all we've got.
It's been a hard day.
We have to get to Kelly's house so we can stock back up on Ninja. And then we go to Nicole's house and we'll stock back up there.
Yep.
So that's all we've got about Ninja.
Yep.
But basically, you get 2 sachets in your premium starter kit of Ninja. I can't go a day without Ninja. As a busy mom, I'm on the go. Like this morning, I think I woke up at like 5 or something, and we've been on the go all day. The girls have been in the pool, and I couldn't get by a day. And I noticed by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, if I haven't had this, I'm ready for a nana nap. Ninja is amazing. It's it's my goji berry superfood in a liquid form. It's not a juice, it's a puree, and you can't really tell that because that's all we've got left, but it's a puree of goji berries, pomegranate, aronia, cherry, and it's got essential oils in it as well. Orange, tangerine, lemon, and yuzu. So love Ninja. So that's my popping 2 bottles of that on your order. You drink 60 mils a day. It's amazing. So
it's not a lot, but it makes a huge difference. So that's number 3, Ninja. Yep. Number 2.
Number 2 is Thieves Cleaner. I tossed up about putting this as number 1 because I absolutely love Thieves Cleaner. Many of you have heard me talk about it, but 1 capful. This amount in a spray bottle with 300 mils of water, and you've got your spray cleaner. Throwing this in your bucket to mop the floors. Actually, I think Gypsy missed mopping the floors tonight.
We've got the Thieves Cleaner.
We've got the Thieves Cleaner, Gypsy. Just basically 10 mils. So you get 42 spray bottles. I know I rave on about this so much, but for new people, popping one of these on your order, you'll get 42 spray bottles out of 1 bottle of this cleaner. It's so economical. Basically, it works out about 94 cents at the most per spray bottle of cleaner. So it's super cheap and concentrated and great for the environment, isn't it, Tegan?
And if you're going to ditch and switch, how many things could you ditch if you switched to thieves?
You would be surprised. I literally threw out all the things underneath my kitchen bench, like, you know,
so
the window cleaner, the, you know, the shower power, exit mold, all of those things. I threw out, all of those sort of specialty type cleaners. I cleaned the bath, the shower, the windows, the mirrors, the floors.
Could you clean the toilets?
Yes, clean the toilets.
Okay.
I clean my fruit and veggies. I put a little bit in the sink and soak the fruit and veggies.
Mold in the bathroom?
Yes, I clean the tyres on my car. You can clean your car. You can clean pretty much anything.
Children?
Your pets.
Could you clean children?
Well, you could, but I don't know. There are probably Tegan's saying no, but
don't clean the children with it, but it won't harm them if it did.
Yes,
anyway.
and that's what I love about it, because I'm not afraid to keep it under the kitchen bench where the girls can get to it.
Well, we were talking about, you know, doing the toddler test in your house, weren't we? You know, could you kill your toddler if you let them loose in your house? And I know that sounds crazy, but the fact is, in most houses, if you let your toddler loose, there's plenty that they could ingest that would be pretty bad for them. But swap it out for thieves, and you know that they're 100% safe. So, alrighty. So that was number 2.
Yeah. What do you?
Don't kill your toddler.
Thank you. That was a public service announcement. Okay, so 2 was thieves, and number 1.
Valor.
Oh, yeah.
It wouldn't be called Team Valor if this wasn't my ultimate favourite oil. As I said, in that Everyday Oils kit, which was the very first kit that I ever bought, Peace and Calming was in it, and so was Valor, and they were my saviours. As a new mum, I couldn't go a day without using Peace and Calming and Valor. Peace and Calming was constantly in my diffuser, and I was putting Valor on. You know, like, there are times when, as a mum, you don't know what to do. You're not confident. You don't have courage. There are times when your kids need an extra courage boost. Like, you know, their first day at preschool, their first day at school. When, you know, like, we practically used it every day at preschool.
So when your kids arrived, though, surely didn't you check the manual that came with them?
What manual?
The plastic wrap one that came.
Did you get one of those?
No, maybe not.
Anyway, Valor.
Yeah.
Valor, you know, for everyone really in your family, but I used to wear it as a perfume. I still do, but it was out of stock for a long time, so I kind of switched to Lady Sclerol and Joy as a perfume. But, you know, I still pull out the Valor and I make up a roll-on. We also have Valor roll-on already made up for you, so you can roll it on.
Back, hasn't it?
Look, I use it to balance the electrical energies in my body, so I put it on the back of my neck and on the bottoms of my feet, and I literally run it down the spine line of my feet. So I make it in a roller and I run from my big toe down to my heel to just help balance those electrical energies in the body. It's the first oil that we use in the raindrop technique. We do a Valor balance where we put Valor on our hands and we hold our hands on the bottom of the feet to balance those electrical energies. It's an amazing feeling. If you've had a Valor balance, let us know. And what you thought about it. Valor is truly amazing. And Sarah's telling us that you can actually get a free Valor roll-on this month for doing the 320 PV order, I think. Oh, the dog is stealing the Shutran oil. Never work with children and animals, let us tell you. We've just been training the dog to sit, and so the dog's now going to be attracted to Jeremy's number 1 oil.
That's crazy, isn't it?
All right, so quick recap so that we can let you go.
That women love this. Sorry.
Actually, the dog is female.
Alrighty, so let's do a quick rundown. So number 5?
Orange.
Number 4?
Peace and Calming.
Peace and Calming.
Number 3? Ninja. And number 2, the Thieves Household Cleaner. You can actually get this in a 1.8 litre bottle as well. So if you do a lot of cleaning, you might want to add the bigger bottle.
And number 1?
Number 1 is Valor.
We're big fans of Valor.
Yeah, Valor for courage, confidence, but, you know, just everyday life. It's kind of one of those oils that it's like, you know, I need it to get through life.
Yep, I've said it before. I put it over my heart before I go in to teach or anything where I want to be on top of the situation. I want to feel courageous and ready to take on the world.
Yeah, and it's a blend, and it's blue. I love the colour. I don't know if you can see the lid, but it's blue, and that's from the blue tansy.
Yeah,
that's in it. So,
but it won't make you a Smurf if you wear it.
No.
Well, thank you for that. So that just brings me to my number one. We've already blown the secret there.
Really?
Yeah, the dog ate it. It was the dog ate
the
my
dog
oil.
Ate your homework.
No, I was going to say, look, you know, some people say they open up the PSK and they go lavender. It's like the Swiss Army knife of oils. Well, this is like the Swiss Army bazooka of blends because it does everything. Shutran, great for emotional grounding, great for emotional stuff, great for physical stuff, it just makes you feel good, great for spiritual stuff, it's pretty much got everything covered. That's why I call it the Swiss Army bazooka of oils, and dogs love it.
Clearly.
I think, you know...
But some small children not so. Jeremy, my cousin Kylie, who we're staying with here in Mount Isa, she wanted to know what it smelled like because she watches out. She's even here watching us live. Like we've got a live studio audience for tonight's Kim's Top 5.
Let's just get this live studio audience to say hello.
And
that was applause.
Kylie wanted to know what it smelled like, so Jeremy got it out.
I was a bit worried unleashing it though, given the power of Shutran.
And then Kylie asked her, like she's got 6 kids, but there's only 5 of them here, and she asked them all what they thought it smelled like.
They were blown away.
Clearly blown away.
What did they say?
And now the dogs. Anyway, we better go because it's like, never work with children and animals. So hopefully that's helped you to look at what your next order might be. And, you know, get on this wellness journey. Once you get a kit, obviously that, you know, getting a kit is a start. It helps you to swap out some of the nasty chemicals and things like that. But once you start to drink Ninja Red, use the Thieves Cleaner, and, you know, start on that wellness journey, you'll never look back. Your life will change. And I'm sure that there are, you know, probably 1,800 other people in this group who will tell you, look, I want to show you the puppy.
And everyone's got an opinion, don't they?
She wants to kiss me.
Shutran, look,
We've
Shutran.
been teaching her
Lick the
tricks.
Shutran.
So, anyway, say bye.
Cutie dog.
Wave.
Alrighty, see you guys. We'd love to hear what you think should be the next oil.
Kim's Top 5.
Yeah, what were the things that you used after you got the PSK? And we're always interested in knowing what you think Kim's Top 5 should be. So, comments below. We'll see you. Still no explosions. How weird is that?
Good night, everybody.
Peace and calming. See you guys.